Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. It's time for a new week of Walgreens deals and really a new month of Walgreens deals. So it took me a couple days to find all the monthly deals and make sure that I was good to share them in a video. So let's head in and let me share with you all the deals to grab through the month of June and a few deals to definitely grab this week. We have a new Walgreens month-long booklet. It's good through June 27th, but this week, L'Oreal, Elvive, and advanced hairstylers are on sale. So Elvive shampoo and conditioner or the stylers, they're on sale 2 for $8. We have a store coupon for $2 off any two, and we have a $4 off 2 coupon that's good for either one of them from the 531 inserts. So grab your $4 insert coupon, your $2 store coupon, you're gonna save $6 off of 2. And they're 2 for $8. So this makes them $1 a piece, either one, mix and match, whatever you want there. The manufacturer's coupon is good for both brands, and so is the store. Easy deal, no rewards needed. We've got a money maker on Old Spice deodorant this week, thanks to a high value digital coupon and Ibotta offers. So Old Spice deodorant, pretty much all of them on sale 2 for $10. And when you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. It's already not bad, but there's a store digital coupon for $4 off 2. There's also a store digital coupon for $6 off 4, so you could kind of go big and get more if you wanted. Keep in mind, you'll only get 1 register reward that prints though, so you really wanna use that 4 off 2. And then Old Spice Ultra Smooth, we've got a $2 off Ibotta offer that will come off up to 3 times. So follow me there. You're gonna buy 2 of them, it's $10. Use the store digital coupon for $4 off, get $4 back from Ibotta for 2 of them. That's $8 off. They only cost $10. So you're gonna pay 2 after all the coupons, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. So you just made $1 a piece to buy them, or a $2 moneymaker. Guys, our really great Crest deal, it's back. Last month, buy 2, get 4,000 rewards. This month, buy 2, get 4,000 rewards. It's a white tag. It's good all the way till the end of June. This is going to make deals all month long, but the ones that are easy, you'll find some Crest Pro Healths that are $2.99. So grab 2 of them. Even no coupons, it makes the toothpaste 99 cents, but there are coupons. There are a number of digital store coupons for Crest. So here's my plan. I have a digital coupon for $1 off 1 and a digital coupon for $5 off 3. So buy 4 at $2.99 a piece. That's like, quick math, $11.96. For all 4 of them, you're gonna use $6 in coupons. So your total there, $5.96 for all 4 of them, but you're gonna get back double the points. So you bought 4. You're gonna get back 8,000 points from this. So you're paying $5.96 and you're getting back $8. So it makes that a $2 moneymaker when you buy 4 tubes. That's using, again, a $5 off 3 digital and a $1 off digital coupon. No paper coupons needed here, but we do have $1 off paper coupons that you could get from the recent P&G insert. This deal is good all month long, and just as a heads up, you can actually do this deal multiple times during the month. There's really no limit on the points, and we will see throughout the month various things come on sale. So you can mix and match and grab the things that you want, but it's a fun deal and it's good all month long. All month long, you can get a great deal on the new King C Gillette razor line. And this is all the way from like personal care to actual razors. By $20 worth, you're gonna get $10 back in rewards, 10,000 points. But we've got really high value coupons right now that are all digital. So you can save $4 off beard oil or face wash. You can save $3 off of a razor. These are $9.99 too, or $2 off of shave gel. So mix and match, grab $20 worth. You've got high value coupons. So one idea for you, grab the shave gel, it's $12.99, and then maybe grab the shave gel as well. So face wash, shave gel, grab both of these. This is $7.99. You rate it $20.98. Use the $4 coupon, use the $2 coupon, that's $6. You're gonna owe $14.98 and you're gonna get back $10. So you just paid $2.49 for the face wash and the shave gel. Option 2, face wash and a razor. The razor's got a $3 off coupon. It does cost $2 more. So you're gonna pay $22.98. You're gonna use $7 in coupons, still get back $10 in rewards. Still a great price for brand new King C Gillette products. One other tip, there is a new P&G mail-in rebate. When you buy $50 worth of P&G products participating, Gillette's one of them, you get a $15 rebate, or it's tiered. When you grab $20 worth, you can get a $5 mail-in rebate. Just the $20 level would make these free. So just to throw that out there, you should take advantage of the deal. Definitely take advantage of the mail-in rebate. I'd go for the $50 option because you can only do one per household, but a fun one, and you've got all month long to grab it. If you need diapers this week, Pampers, when you buy 3 of them, you're gonna get back $6 worth of rewards or 6,000 points. They're on sale, 2 for $18. So grab 3 of them. The third one will be $9. You'll pay $27 for all 3 of them. Get back $6 in rewards. We do have digital coupons here and insert coupons from the recent P&G inserts. So another option is actually to grab 4 so that you can use 2 $3 off 2 coupons. After the coupons and the points, you'll end up paying $6 a piece. Our buy 3 get 1 free deal is back, and it's going to be here all month long. So you can grab Tide, Downy, Bounce. Got a few options here, and they're all $4.99. Buy 3 of them, get 1 free. Remember, in Walgreens, I cannot use a coupon on the one that is free, so go with the ones that have the highest value for your coupons. We've got $2 off Tide coupons. Use those, and then maybe don't use a coupon on your Downy or your Bounce, but it's still gonna make a great deal. So you're gonna come out to about $2.24 a piece after the $2 coupons and the sale. Okay, I have a deal for you that you may have a store that looks exactly like mine, but we saw this deal probably about 6 months ago, so it's kind of exciting to see it back. All month long, when you grab 2 Fabuloso, Palmolive, or Suavitel products, you're gonna get back $2 in rewards, and they're all $1.99. So you're gonna grab 2 at $1.99 a piece. That's $3.98. You're gonna get back $2 in rewards. In the end, that means you're paying 99 cents for a large bottle of Suavitel. This is also the larger bottles of Palmolive. So these are not like the 10-ounce bottles. These are the full-size bottles of Palmolive dish soap. The hard part, gonna be finding it in your store. So I think you might find that your store is kind of empty, but hopefully by the end of the month, we're gonna see this one in stores. It is good all month long, or grab what you can find for now and wait and grab what you can't later. That's the hope, right? But it is a great price and definitely one to grab when you find it in your store. We've got a really good deal on Renew this week, possibly all month long. It says it's on sale this week, but I kind of expect that sale to last. So Renew Advanced Formula Contact Solution on sale for $7.99. We've got a Walgreens store coupon in the new month-long booklet for $2 off. And we just got $4 off coupons in Sunday's paper. So that makes them $1.99. Now, one heads up, they are 99 cents at CVS this week. So if you're trying to decide where to go, 99 cents at CVS is the better option. But one other note, there is possibly a $5 off coupon. So if you've already printed it before, it's not gonna let you get it this time. But if you've not printed it, then go ahead and grab that $5 coupon, and you're gonna pay 99 cents in Walgreens using the $2 store coupon and a $5 manufacturer's coupon along with the $7 sale. So pretty sweet price. I try to never forget this one when it's running, but our favorite Walgreens house brand storage bags and sandwich bags are buy 1, get 2 free again this week. Makes them 93 cents a box. Not a bad price because these are 20 count boxes. So we've basically pretty much switched, and this is the only brand that we use in our house because I can't get Ziplocs that cheap. 93 cents per box. So grab it, just be careful because it is select sizes. So you need to make sure that you're grabbing the right one. It's not the values, or they're not gonna ring up right. And I do need 3 of them to be able to get the sale at checkout. Grab an easy freebie this week before you head out. This is this week only, Mentos Clean Breath Mints. They're $1.29 and it will print a $1.29 register reward as you check out. Super easy, no coupons needed. Remember, with register rewards, only 1 is going to print as you check out. So don't buy more than 1. You will not get multiple $1.29s back, but go ahead and enjoy your 1 freebie while you're in the store. So there you go, lots of fun deals to grab this week in Walgreens and really this month. 1 or 2 little tips for Walgreens. First off, the monthly booklet coupons. They're actually available as digital too, so you don't have to grab that monthly booklet in the front of the store. But if you decide to grab more than one deal, so let's say that you wanted to use a store coupon for 2 items or 3 items, you actually only have to scan the coupon once. It will take off multiple times for however many you bought. So kind of fun. Doesn't mean that I need to grab all of the monthly booklets when you walk in the door. Just one is enough. All of them are store coupons. They can be paired with manufacturer's coupons. So the L'Oreal deal that I mentioned, there's others. There's lots of deals like L'Oreal and Renew where I compare those store coupons with manufacturer's coupons. The hard part, most of those products, I don't want to go in and grab everything and pay top dollar for. I really want to go in and grab them when they're on sale. So the month-long booklet doesn't mean that I just want to grab them anytime during the month. I really want to time it and grab them on the right week. So this week would be the week to grab the L'Oreal. This is the week to grab the Renew, though the Renew does tend to stay on sale, but you get the idea. One other tip that someone shared with me, and I had shared wrong in a recent Q&A video, there is an ability to remove a Walgreens digital coupon in the app. So if you go in your Walgreens app and you scan barcodes, it automatically loads all the coupons that are available. But you don't really want that because it will take off the lowest value coupon. So if I'm trying to use a $4 off 2 Old Spice coupon, but it also loaded a $1 Old Spice coupon, I really want to remove the $1 coupon. Be careful. Once you remove it, you will never have the ability to re-clip it again. But if I don't want that $1 coupon, I'm probably not going to use the $1 coupon anyway. So in your Walgreens app, click on coupons and then click on your clipped coupons so that all you're looking at are the coupons already saved to your card, and you will now see the button has changed to say remove. If you clip it, it will give you the warning that says you may never get this coupon back, but you do have the ability to remove a clipped coupon. So glad to figure that out. Thank you for the person that shared it with me, because it's caught me as well. The system always takes off the lowest value coupon, and if you have multiple saved, you're kind of screwed at checkout, which isn't fun. So now you know how to remove them. Just you have the warning that you can't get them back once you do. But hopefully that will help you guys as you're checking out. Make sure to follow along, to subscribe so that you can catch all the weekly deal videos as we share them. Head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens for all of the deals that I shared, plus all the other month-long deals that are available. I really just shared a glimpse of the top deals with you, but there are a number to get, and most of all, don't forget your easy freebie.